Welcome back to the Quiet Maverick podcast. I'm glad you're here. Not because this is another episode, but because of what happens when you choose to sit with something long enough for it to recognize you back. This isn't about noise. It's not about saying more or moving faster. It's about seeing clearly and moving from that place. And today, we're going to define what that actually means. Because clarity, it's a word people often use, but rarely understand. Most people are trying to become something. Stronger, more confident, more disciplined, more ready. And on the surface, that sounds right. But what if the issue isn't that you lack something? What if the issue is you haven't learned how to govern what's already there? Not build, not chase, not perform, but govern. So let's take a moment to define that, because governance isn't control. It's not force. It's not pressure. Governance is the ability to direct yourself without needing resistance to do it. It's internal leadership, not reacting, not negotiating, not waiting to feel ready, but it's deciding and following through. So governance, it sounds like I already know what needs to be done, and I'm going to do it. Not because I feel like it, but because I've already chosen. That's a different form of discipline. Discipline still fights resistance. Governance removes the argument entirely. I'm going to take a moment to share something unplanned in this segment, but as I share this with you, I am balancing the weight of real life and some decisions. There is a decision I made, and I have felt reticence to proceed because of the demand it puts on me. However, as I share this with you and embody this truth, again, I realize and recognize that discipline still fights resistance, but governance, my internal governance, has removed the argument, and I'm proceeding forward because I've already chosen the path. And this is where clarity comes in. Because clarity isn't about having all the answers. It's about recognizing what remains true when everything unnecessary is removed. Clarity is what survives when you stop overthinking. It's not loud. It doesn't rush you. It doesn't demand urgency. Clarity is steady. It's already there. And most people just move too fast to hear it. So when you say, I need more clarity, what you often mean is, I don't trust what I already see. And that's the disconnect. You know, it's interesting because most people think that pressure creates clarity. It doesn't. It exposes the absence of governance. Because when pressure shows up, you don't rise into clarity, you fall into whatever is unstructured. That's why people say, I knew what to do. I just I just didn't do it. That's not confusion. That's a lack of governance. There was a moment where everything around me felt unsettled. Not chaotic, but not stable either. And I remember sitting with that, not trying to fix it, not trying to force an answer, and realizing something simple. I already knew what needed to be done. There wasn't confusion, there was hesitation. And that hesitation wasn't coming from lack, it was coming from the weight of deciding without being pushed. See, there was no pressure, no urgency, and no audience, no one watching. Just me and what I already knew. And in that moment, I understood something differently. Clarity had already spoken. I just hadn't moved yet. Not because I couldn't, but because I hadn't governed it. And once I did, everything didn't magically change, but I did. And that was enough. And that's where this becomes real for you. This shows up in your work. You know what needs to be done, but you hesitate. Not because you're confused, but because you haven't committed to what you already see. It shows up in relationships. You recognize something, but instead of honoring it, you soften it, trying to make it easier to carry. It shows up in your personal life. You've already proven your capacity, but you keep resetting yourself like you need to earn it again. So I'll ask you clearly, where in your life are you waiting for clarity that you already have? And where are you avoiding governance because it would require you to act without hesitation? Whatever just came up for you right now, that's not random. Don't rush past that. Sit with it. That's where your clarity lives. Not somewhere you need to get to, but somewhere you've already seen and maybe haven't acted on yet. And once you see it, I've learned you can't unsee it. You can only decide whether you're going to follow it. There's a different kind of peace here. Not the peace of having everything figured out, but the peace of knowing you don't need to. Because once something becomes clear, Your only responsibility is to follow it. And that's governance. So again, you don't need to become more. You need to govern what you already are. And clarity, it's not something you chase. It's something you recognize and respect. Thank you for being here with me today. I don't take your attention lightly, because where you place your attention is where your life begins to move. If something in this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. This is how we keep the signal going. And you can also follow me on all platforms. Leave a comment. Let me know what landed with you. I read it. And until next time, stay grounded, stay clear, move at the pace of clarity, and remember, strength doesn't need noise.